In this day and age, it is no secret that artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving and growing in popularity. With new advancements and applications being discovered every day, it is safe to say that AI is here to stay. But the question remains, who is going to make money off of this new technology? There are few different schools of thought on this matter. Some believe that the companies who are able to successfully harness AI will be the ones to profit the most. Others believe that it will be the individuals who are able to create and sell the best AI applications who will come out on the top. However, this is one thing that everyone can agree on, and that is the fact that there is a lot of money to be made in artificial intelligence. In fact, it has been estimated that the AI market will be worth $15.7 billion by 2023. So, if you're looking to make some money off of AI, here are a few ways that you can do so. Invest in AI-related stocks. Start a business that specializes in developing AI applications. Sell AI-based products and services. Invest in an AI-based startup. Work in a field that is closely related to AI. One of the simplest ways to make money off of AI is to invest in companies that are related to the technology. This can be done by buying stocks in these companies or investing in AI-based ETFs. Some of the most well-known companies that are involved in AI include Google, Amazon, Facebook, IBM, and Microsoft. However, there are many other companies that are involved in the development and/or application of AI that are worth investing. Here are a few tips to keep in mind if you decide to invest in AI stocks. Do your research. Make sure you know what you are buying before you invest. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have a long-term outlook. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be prepared for volatility. The AI market is still new and thus can be volatile. And stay up to date on AI news. This will help you make informed investments decisions. In conclusion, it's still early days in the world of AI and it's hard to say definitely who is going to make money from it. However, there are few things we can say for sure. Those companies who are able to successfully harness AI technologies will be the ones that reap the financial rewards. And as AI continues to become more ubiquitous, those rewards are only going to get bigger. So if you are thinking about investing in AI, now is the time to do.